Introducing the CAN bus Multiplex trainer. Here's how it works. When a scanner connects to the OBD-II port under simulation, the CAN bus Multiplex trainer immediately responds, simulating a real vehicle connection. The scanner confirms, successfully connected to the vehicle. Now let's simulate an error. I input a fault code P0003. Instantly, the scanner detects the issue and displays the error. The CAN bus Multiplex trainer, acting as the vehicle, responds just as a real car would. Next, the scanner sends a command to clear the error codes. The trainer acknowledges the request, and the scanner reports, all codes cleared. Just like that, the DTCs are gone. With the CAN bus Multiplex trainer, mastering OBD-II diagnostics has never been easier. Whether you're configuring vehicles or stepping into advanced diagnostics, this board gives you a hands-on, professional-level understanding of how OBD-II works. Get your CAN bus Multiplex trainer today and take your automotive diagnostics to the next level.